friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am doing a tutorial on how to apply false lashes. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So if you want to see how I apply the false lashes, then keep on watching. So first you need fake eyelashes, and I am taking Bonjour fake eyelashes, glue and tweezer. Now I will take fake eyelashes and place it over my eyelid and measure it how much length I want. Then I will cut it with scissors from inner edge and trim the outer edge nicely. Now I will take other fake eyelashes and do the same thing. Now I am taking glue and squeeze it over back of my hand. Then I will take fake lashes and twist it so that it comes in round shape. Then with the help of tweezer back, I will apply glue in the strips of fake eyelashes and always try to apply more glue over two ends of the lashes so that it sticks nicely. Now leave it for a few seconds to dry up the glue. Blow some air also if you like. When your glue dry 50%, then again twist it and hold it with tweezers. Now lift your head and apply it close to my lash line. And press it with the back of tweezer. You can press it with your finger also if you want. Now move your finger towards upward direction so that it looks more natural and lifted up. So you can see the difference in my both eyes. Now I will take next false lashes and apply glue like earlier. Then twist it and let few seconds to dry the glue. And with the help of the tweezer, place it over close to my lash line. And adjust it with finger and press it with tweezer. Now move it in upward direction like we did earlier. So after applying fake eyelashes on my both eyes, it looked like this. If you apply it correctly, then it looks so natural and beautiful. So that's all you have to do when you apply false lashes. If you like my video and if you find my video helpful, then please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any doubt and question regarding this tutorial, please comment below. I will sure answer your comments. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.